In the heart of the ancient forest of Eldoria, where sunlight filtered through towering trees and the air hummed with the enchanting melodies of hidden creatures, there existed a delicate balance between realms. Here, fairies danced upon glistening petals and whispered secrets to the wind, while noble kings ruled over vast kingdoms beyond the forest's edge. Yet, destiny had woven a thread that would bind these two worlds together in ways unforeseen. At the heart of Eldoria stood the great oak tree, its trunk wide and gnarled, its branches reaching skyward like the spires of a cathedral. This tree was more than just a symbol of the forest's age, it was a nexus point where magic flowed freely, sustaining all life within Eldoria. At the base of this oak, a hidden entrance led to the underground realm of the fairies, gossamer chambers adorned with sparkling crystals and iridescent fungi. In the kingdom beyond the forest, King Aldrich reigned with authority and wisdom. His castle stood proud upon a cliff overlooking sweeping plains and distant mountains. King Aldrich was a fair and just ruler, loved by his people for his benevolence and strength. Yet, beneath his regal facade lay a longing, a desire to understand the mysteries of Eldoria, the realm of enchantment that bordered his kingdom. One fateful evening, as twilight draped its indigo cloak over the land, a curious fairy named Elara ventured beyond the safety of Eldoria's borders. With skin like moonlit dew and wings shimmering like opals, she soared into the human world, drawn by whispers of a king who sought to bridge their worlds. Elara's arrival in King Aldrich's court was met with astonishment and wonder, for few had seen a fairy in the flesh. King Aldrich, captivated by Elara's grace and ethereal beauty, welcomed her with open arms. Through her, he learned of Eldoria's delicate harmony and the interconnectedness of all living things. Elara spoke of the ancient oak tree and its vital role in sustaining their world. She shared stories of the fairies' magic, of healing blooms and songs that moved the stars. In return, King Aldrich shared tales of valor and honor, of battles won and lost, and of his unyielding love for his kingdom. As days turned into weeks, a bond blossomed between the king and the fairy, a bond that transcended their differences in size and lifespan. Together, they dreamed of a future where fairies and humans coexisted harmoniously, where the wonders of Eldoria could be shared with the world beyond the forest's edge. However, their newfound alliance stirred unrest among certain factions within King Aldrich's court. Advisors warned of the dangers of meddling with fairy magic, fearing repercussions that could upset the natural order. Meanwhile, in Eldoria, whispers of Elara's friendship with the human king echoed through the fairy realm, igniting both excitement and trepidation among her kin. Despite these challenges, King Aldrich and Elara remained steadfast in their belief that understanding and cooperation were the keys to a brighter future. Together, they devised a plan to unite their realms in a momentous celebration, an event that would mark the beginning of a new era. Under the great oak tree of Eldoria, fairies and humans gathered in awe-inspiring harmony. The air buzzed with anticipation as King Aldrich, resplendent in his regal attire, stood beside Elara, radiant in her fairy grace. Together, they addressed the assembly, speaking of unity and the boundless potential of their shared world. In that moment, a shimmering bridge of light appeared, spanning the gap between the human realm and Eldoria. It was a symbol of their newfound alliance, a testament to the power of understanding and friendship. As fairies and humans crossed the bridge, mingling and exchanging stories, a sense of wonder filled the air. The ancient oak tree hummed with joy, its roots intertwining with the hopes and dreams of those gathered beneath its boughs. In that moment, a shimmering bridge of light appeared, spanning the gap between the human realm and Eldoria. It was a symbol of their newfound alliance, a testament to the power of understanding and friendship. As fairies and humans crossed the bridge, mingling and exchanging stories, a sense of wonder filled the air. The ancient oak tree hummed with joy, its roots intertwining with the hopes and dreams of those gathered beneath its boughs. In the years that followed, Eldoria flourished like never before. Fairies and humans collaborated in art, science, and magic, enriching both realms with their unique perspectives and talents. King Aldrich's kingdom prospered, infused with the enchantment of Eldoria, while the fairies discovered new wonders beyond their forest home. And so, the tale of Eldoria, a realm where fairies and kings once existed in separate worlds, was rewritten. It became a story of unity and shared destiny, proving that even the most unlikely alliances could spark the greatest transformations. Under the watchful gaze of the great oak tree, fairies and kings learned that the true magic of their world lay not in isolation, but in the bonds that transcended boundaries and united hearts.